Heroic Malaysian boy saves vulnerable rabbit citizens near burning building. In Malaysia, Balanagama Punaimuti was on her way to work when she saw a raging fire coming from a building near her home. Seeing two rabbit residents trapped in their cage, she called her cousin Jason to help rescue them and got him cutting tools. Jason quickly climbed and balanced himself on tree branches near the burning building's external wall while cutting the cage bottom to set the rabbit persons free. After a few tries and with minor burns to his hands, Jason successfully pulled them out of their cage. The rescued rabbit persons, one of whom had suffered burns to his fur, were taken care of by Ms. Punaimuti until well enough to be returned to their caregiver. Many thanks, kind-hearted Jason and Balanagama Punaimuti, for your loving concern and bravery. May we all be inspired to look out for our at-risk animal friends with such care and concern. In heaven's abundant love.